mathematics class 6, and we have done up to number 4. So we will start it from number 5. So the question is, represent the following numbers on the number line. So these are the numbers 2, 5, 7, 9, 12, and you have to represent, or you have to show these numbers in the number line. For that you have to know how to draw a number line. Okay, for drawing a number line, at first we will draw a straight line. I have drawn a straight line. Now I'll mark some points at the same distance. Okay, I'll take 1 centimeter distance between all the points. So this is the first centimeter. I'll put the first point here, second point is here, and that way I'll put some points, and the points are 1 centimeter away from each other. Okay, you have to draw it as precisely as you can, that means as correctly as you can, without making any difference between the points or difference between the distance in the points. So I have marked it here. Okay, this much is enough. So this is a line. Okay, and line, it is continuous in both sides, so we have to give arrow mark here. Okay, we have to start from 0 and we have to write up to 12 because they have asked us to write up to 12. Okay, therefore what we will do, we will start from 13 from the right side. This is the right side. Here we will write 13, so here we will write 12. That means 12 numbers will come here. This one is 11, this number is 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And what remains in the left side of 0? It becomes -1. So this point will be -1. This one will be -2. So you will learn about these negative numbers in the other chapters, maybe in the next chapter. So basically, when you have to write a number line, what you have to do, you have to take 0 as the reference point. Okay, it is not necessary that you have to write 0 here. You can write 0 here itself or here, wherever you want. That is not a problem. But I have written 0 here so that I can write up to 13, or I can write here up to 14 this way. So I have written 0 here to do the adjustment and nothing else. Okay, and after writing the 0, what you have to do, from 0 towards your left you have to write the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, that way, and taking 0 as the reference. From the 0 towards its left side you have to write the numbers as -1, -2, -3, -4, that way. All right, so what they have told, they have told you to represent these numbers, number 2. So we will represent number 2. We will put it little bit this way, little bit bigger. Then number 5, we'll put it little bit bigger. Then 7, put it this way, 9 and 12. So we have represented these numbers. Okay, so the next question is number 6. In each of the following pairs of numbers, state which whole number is on the right side of the other whole number on the number line, and also write them with the appropriate sign, greater than or smaller than. Okay, so here some numbers are given. As you can see, the first number, I'll write the question number here, it is 6, 1. So it is 1. The first number question is 483, 843. So what they have asked, they have asked which whole number is on the right of the other whole number. There are two whole numbers here, right? This one is one whole number, this one is another whole number. So they have asked which whole number sits on the right side of the other whole number. That means if we write these two numbers in the number line, which will stay on the left side and which will stay on the right side, which will come one after the other. They have asked this way. So at first we have seen in the number line, if you see in the number line, it goes serially this way. in ascending order. That means from 0 towards its right side, the number increases gradually. Like you see 1, then comes 2, 3, 4. It is increasing gradually. So the smaller numbers, it will be on the left side of any number, and the larger number will be on the right side. For example, we take 9. So the numbers greater than 9, it will be on the right side, this side, and the numbers smaller than 9, it will be on the left side. Therefore, looking at these two numbers, we can see that this one is smaller and this one is greater when we compare these two numbers. So this one will be on the left side and this one will be on the right side. So we can write it this way. Answer 843 is on the right. Okay, what they have asked, right of 483. Next, they have asked us to use the smaller than or greater than sign. Next, you can write, therefore, we have to write this one first, 483 and 843. So here 843 is greater than 483, so we will use this sign here, this way. All right, so let me do another one for you. I'll do number 3. It is 709 and 907. So you see 709 is smaller and 907 is greater when we compare these two numbers. So answer, I'll not write everything, I'll just say it. You can write it by yourself. So you will write it this way. 907 is on the right of 709. This part you can write in words. You have to write in words. I have just represented this part as dotted line. So after that, you will write it this way. Therefore, 709 and 907 you will write. So which one is greater here? This one is greater. So you will put this sign. Okay. And whatever is left, that is your homework. Let's see the next part. Write the number 1 largest number of 5 digits and number 2 smallest number of 6 digits. The largest number of 5 digits. The largest number of 5 digits is 99999. That means you have to write 9 5 times. We know the largest digit from 0 to 9. What is it? It is 9. So we have to write a number which has 5 digits. So these are the digits, suppose 1 2 3 4 5. So in order to make this one as the largest digit, we have to write 9 in each place. Okay, so 7, one answer will be, one answer is 99999. So you can put a comma here. Next comes smallest number of 6 digits. So 2 answer will be 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we have written 1 2 3 4 5 6 digits. So you can put a comma here, comma here. So the largest 5 digit number is 99,999 and smallest 6 digit number is 1 lakh. Okay, next comes true and false. The smallest 5 digit number is the successor of the largest 4 digit number. That means what they are saying, the smallest 5 digit number is the successor of this number. The largest 4 digit number, what is it? The largest 4 digit number is this one, 9,999, and the smallest 5 digit number is, it is 10,000. Okay, it is 10,000. So they have said that this smallest 5 digit number is the successor of this number, and we have seen it is this smallest 5-digit number, it is the successor of 9999. So the first statement will be true. So this one is true. All natural numbers are whole numbers. Okay, it is true because the natural numbers are from 1 up to infinity. So these numbers from 1 to infinity, they are also inside whole numbers. So this one will be true. All whole numbers are natural numbers. This one is false because 0 is not a natural number. 0 is the smallest natural number. 0 is not at all a natural number. So this sentence is false. Every whole number has its predecessor. They are telling that every whole number has another whole number on its left side. But you consider about 0. See about 0. Does 0 has any whole number on its left side? It doesn't have. So this statement will be false. 0 is the only whole number which is not a natural number. Okay, this is true. 0 is only one such a number which is not included inside the natural numbers. So this is true. And number 7, every whole number has its successor. So what they are telling, every whole number has another whole number on its right side, and that is true. You can consider 0. 0 has another number on right side, it is 1. You consider any number 53, it has another number on its right side, that is 54. So it will be true in each and every case. So this statement is true. How many whole numbers are there up to 100? Okay, you have to count how many whole numbers are there up to 100. At first tell me how many numbers are there from 1 to 100. You go on counting, you will get there will be 100 numbers from 1 to 100. And also they have asked about whole numbers. So we have to count the 0 also. So the 0 is also another number. So these are the numbers from 1 to 100 and this is the count of 0. So as a total, if we add these two, what we get? We get 101. So answer will be 101. How many natural numbers are there up to 100? So natural numbers means it starts from 1 and we have to count up to 100. You just count it, you will get that there are 100 natural numbers up to 100. Alright, next we have write down the four consecutive whole numbers, the smallest being 9998. So here they have asked number 11, taking this number 9998, taking this number as the smallest whole number, we have to write 4 consecutive numbers. The meaning of consecutive is that the numbers should be one after the other, the numbers which stays together. Like we can say 4, 5, 6, 7. These are consecutive numbers because they are together. These are consecutive whole numbers, we can say. Alright, next we can say 96, 97, 98. These are 3 consecutive whole numbers. Similarly, if we have to write 4 consecutive whole numbers, taking this one as the smallest one, so we can write it this way. If this is the smallest one, what will be the next natural number? Sorry, not natural. What will be the next whole number? It will be 9999, means 9999. The next whole number will be 10,000. Okay, and the next whole number, I am writing it here below, it will be 10,001. So this will be the answer. Alright, you can put a comma here and also here. It will be 9998, 9999, 10,000 and 10,001. These are the 4 natural numbers. And we have included this one because they have already said here the smallest being 9998. That means we have to include this number. So we have written it this way. But if you see in the answer is little bit different. It has started from 9999 and it went up to 10,002. But you can write it this way also. We have filled in the blanks here. The smallest natural number is 1. The smallest whole number is 0. We know all these things, we have already studied. 0 is the smallest dash number. 0 is whole number, we know. So we will write it here, whole. So this exercise is completed. So what you can do, you can write the whole exercise in your class notebook, that is mathematics notebook. Okay, you have to write it serially, and whatever I have not done here, that is your homework, you have to do it by yourself. Okay, and after doing, you can check the answer at the last page. At the last pages you can check the answer. Here all the answers are given, so you can check the answer if you have written it correct or not. All right, in the next video we will start exercise 3.2. Till then, goodbye and stay safe.